Welcome back to Beautyistic. Ever wondered why some under-eye creams feel like a quick fix while others seem to deliver lasting results? Well, today we're taking a deep dive into a product that claims to do just that. Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Cream. This little jar promises to tackle those stubborn dark circles while offering the convenience of a travel-size formula. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more honest, in-depth beauty reviews. Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Cream is a targeted solution for dark circles, puffiness, and general under-eye fatigue. This product comes in a compact 0.17 fl jar, perfect for travel, and is housed in a recyclable glass container. It's formulated to hydrate, smooth, and reduce the visible signs of aging around the delicate eye area. The key claims are focused on helping to rejuvenate the skin overnight, leveraging Estee Lauder's well-known advanced night repair technology. The formulation features a combination of antioxidants, hydration boosters, and proprietary ingredients that are supposed to work while you sleep, helping your skin recover from the day's stressors. It's got a light gel cream texture that feels refreshing on the skin and absorbs quickly without leaving any greasy residue behind, which is a huge win for those of us who don't want a sticky feel before bed. Now let's talk about real-world testing. I've been using this eye cream consistently for a few weeks now, and one thing that stands out immediately is how refreshing it feels when applied. The gel cream texture is cooling, which is a major plus for anyone dealing with puffiness or tired eyes. It glides on smoothly, and I've noticed that it doesn't irritate my sensitive skin at all, which can sometimes happen with products near the eyes. It absorbs quickly, and I'm able to layer it under my makeup without any issues. No pilling, which is a huge deal breaker for me. In terms of results, I haven't experienced a dramatic transformation in my dark circles, but they do seem less pronounced after continuous use. The under-eye area feels more hydrated and looks a little more refreshed, especially in the morning after a long night. However, don't expect an overnight miracle, as this is more of a gradual improvement product. I also love how the formula doesn't leave an oily or heavy feeling, making it ideal for anyone with combination or oily skin types who might shy away from heavier creams. Pros: the texture is great. It's lightweight, but still deeply moisturizing, and the fact that it's in a travel-friendly jar makes it super convenient. If you're someone who's always on the go, this could definitely fit into your routine without any hassle. The cooling sensation is an added perk, especially if you're combating puffiness or tired eyes. Plus, it's Estee Lauder, a trusted brand known for its high-performance skincare, which does give it some credibility right off the bat. On the flip side, the size is relatively small for the price, which could be a downside for those looking for a long-term, budget-friendly solution. Also, while it does help with hydration and smoothing, those expecting a dramatic reduction in dark circles or deep puffiness might need to pair it with other treatments or have more patience. When it comes to value for money, you are definitely paying a premium for the Estee Lauder name and its advanced technology. The 0.17 fl jar isn't exactly the most economical option if you're using it daily. But if you've got the budget and are looking for a product that feels luxurious, performs decently, and tackles mild puffiness and hydration, this could be worth considering. Now, if you're looking for alternatives that won't break the bank, there are some great options out there. The CeraVe Eye Repair Cream, for example, offers a similar texture and benefits at a more affordable price point. It focuses on hydrating and reducing puffiness, although it doesn't have the same overnight recovery promises that Estee Lauder brings to the table. In terms of build quality, Estee Lauder delivers. The packaging is sleek, with a sturdy glass jar that feels luxurious, though it does make it a bit heavy for travel. As for longevity, a little goes a long way. So even though the jar is small, it should last for a decent amount of time with daily use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on it, the link is in the comments. While I haven't needed to reach out to Estee Lauder's customer support for this product specifically, the brand is generally known for its responsive service. If you have any issues or concerns, I'm sure they would handle them with their usual high level of customer care. In summary, Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Cream is a solid choice for those who want a lightweight, hydrating formula to target mild puffiness and dark circles. While it may not be the miracle worker some might expect, its gradual, soothing effects make it a great addition to a nightly skincare routine. If you're looking for a luxury eye cream that offers hydration and comfort, this might be for you. But if you're on a tighter budget or looking for something with a more instant impact, you might want to explore other options. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.